everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Card Club, just with a quick video today doing some unboxing with Influenster. So if you guys haven't heard, Influencer has this great program where you just sign up for it and they give you free products. You test it out, you put a little picture on Instagram, and it's absolutely free. They don't charge you to sign up, they don't charge you for shipping. Everything is cool. So I did sign up for Influencer, but before we get into it, just want to remind you guys there are some great deals coming up on CVS and Rite Aid, so make sure that you guys pick up your coupon inserts and get ready for some hauls and shopping. If you guys don't remember where to get coupons, remember you can get them in your Sunday newspaper, you can get them from coupons.com, Retail Me Not, or smartsweats.com. There are a few other sites, but I do have them available listed on my website. Just make sure you go to couponcardclub.org. Okay, so let's start. So this week I received the Perricone MD. You guys can see that. This is the new VoxBox that I got. It says the high potency growth factor firm and lifting serum. So that's what I got on the box. We're gonna open this up right now and check it out. I really love these things because they always have like amazing packaging when I get it. So as you can see, even in the top it has the picture of the serum and it's really cool. I really like that. It's great. It's amazing. Alright, so yeah, Perricone MD, high potency, great growth factor, firming and lifting serum. Introducing Perricone MD's new high potency growth factor and firming serum, formulated with Dr. Perricone's next generation pomade technology. This powerful day and night serum delivers a visible dramatic lift effect and improves skin's blemishes, stretches, cushions, bounce, and resilience. With a combination of the Pomo growth factor eggshell membrane and encapsulated retinol, skin is left looking smooth and radiant. We look forward to hearing your thoughts. So they're excited to hear my thoughts, hopefully. So this VoxBox, does it have a special name? No, it doesn't have. It's just a Perricone MD VoxBox. So each of the Influencer's VoxBoxes comes with like a little bit information on each of the products that are usually in the VoxBox. So I'm assuming that it's only this one thing because there's only one picture on the outside and this is the only description I got. So yeah, so pretty much clearly just puts it out and lets you know. And then here it is. I have the box here. Ooh, isn't it great? It looks very nice. I like the packaging. As you can hear the baby. He wants to come inside. But I'm almost done, baby. So the box is very smooth. I really like it. It has a little like medicine thing here. I can't wait to use it. It almost looks like a real medical situation, I guess. It's cool. After cleansing, massage onto face and neck and use gentle upward motion. Wait until firmly absorbed and follow with your favorite Perricone MD moisturizer. Use morning and evening. So it does come with the bottle, and then the applicator is by its side. So I'm going to try it out. I'm not too sure how long you're supposed to use this to test to see how it works. But what I'm going to do on my Instagram is pretty much show my journey. I'm going to start using it, and then day by day I'll talk about it a little more, and then I'll have like a 2-week picture and then a month picture on how my progress is going. So I've never heard of this product before. I'm pretty sure you guys have, or seen it before, but this is really exciting. I can't wait to try it. So again, don't forget to sign up for Influencer. They always give out great products like eye makeup and lipsticks, different things. I always recommend it to my couponers. You know, if you're saving some money and you want to test out some products, most of the time they do have products that's been out on the market for at least a month, but they want real life people to test them out and see how everything is working. So I would definitely make sure you sign up. I'll have the link below for Influencer. Make sure that you use my code. Thank you in advance. And I think that's it for now. So thank you for listening and watching. For my friends who would like to join my Facebook group, I'll have the link below. And if you want to follow us on Instagram, all the information will be there. And if you do want to visit us and set up a meeting, all you have to do is send me a quick email at couponcardclub@gmail.com. Alright, beautiful people, I will see you soon.